Welcome, in front of me is ASUS Chromebook C434, and in this video I will show you how to check this device's model name. So to find your full device's model and also the model number, you have to restart this device into recovery mode, and to do that you have to either select the control center, go with the power options, select shutdown and wait until your device shuts down, or just hold down the power button for a couple of seconds and select shutdown instead, or just hold down the power button until your device turns off. Then what you're gonna have to do is press escape and refresh key at the same time, and in the meantime, while you're holding these two keys, press the power button to turn your device on. Once your device is turned on, you will see the model name right here. The model name and the model number can be used to recover your device in case you want to reinstall Chrome OS on it. To exit this menu, just press and hold the power button for a couple of seconds until your screen shuts down, then restart your PC by pressing power button once again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.